Sell timeshare for free. If you are tired of paying agents for selling your timeshare, then stop paying through the nose. This time you have to come across the right website that will guide you how to sell timeshare for free. Why not to earn the 100% of the selling price of your timeshare as your profit? What's the use of investing if you are paying people in order to sell timeshare? Now the old era is over. When you used to pay your agents a huge amount each time you had to sell your own timeshare, come to us and sell timeshare free of cost. I suggest you to avail our services and your business would start giving you huge profits. Inflow of profits would increase in your business just by curtailing this useless cost that you pay each time you sell your timeshare. We understand that the timeshare business depends upon the selling and reselling of the timeshare, and we know that if a customer will pay us for each resale, then he would be less with very less profit margin. Our customers' happiness is our happiness to believe in free timeshare resale. Brought to you by www.webuytimeshares.org.